Hi, good morning everyone. Hope you all are fine. Stay healthy, stay at home, take care of your elders, take care of your youngers, and enjoy your day. I hope you have done yesterday's assignment very well. So, we come to the next point. Our next topic is least common multiple. The smallest common multiples of the two or more natural numbers is called the least common multiple. दो नंबर के बीच में कोई भी दो से ज़्यादा भी हो सकते हैं नेचुरल नंबर्स, अगर उनके बीच में कोई कॉमन नंबर आता है, स्मॉलेस्ट कॉमन नंबर, दैट इज कंसिडर्ड एज लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल. वी हैव थ्री मेथड्स टू फाइंड least common multiple. First method is least common multiple by common multiple method. Second method is least common multiple by prime factorization method. And third is least common multiple by division method. So first we will discuss first method, LCM by common multiple methods. Here I have one example. Find the LCM of 18 and 12. If it is written multiple, multiple means you have considered as table. Before in your last chapter, factors and multiples, factor means you have to find the particular number in which table that particular number come. But in multiple, you are write the table of that form. So from writing the table, we can find the common number. So here, if we have to find the LCM of 18 and 12, so multiple of 18 and multiple of 12, you have to first write the table of 18, then first write the table of 12. And I already told you multiple means the numbers goes infinite. So here multiples of 18, you have to write 18 table, 18, 36, 54, 72, 90, 108 and so on. Like 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, 18 threes are 54, 18 fours are 72, 18 fives are 90 and so on. And you have to mark endless. Similarly, 12th table, 12 ones are 2, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, then 12 sixes are 72 and so on. Then we mark the common numbers here. Like here is 36, here is 36. In both the table 36 is there. Next number is 72 and continuously when you go move further more, you get the more and more common number is there. So whatever we find, like we can write first two numbers, common numbers are there. Then common multiples of 18 and 12 are 36, 72, 108, whatever right hand up to which I have to write the table. So we mark it endless, because endless there may be many endless number that may be common between 18 and 12. So among these, lowest first number पे जो आपका common आया था, first number, that number ever exists in both the tables, we consider as LCM. Then LCM of 18 and 12 is equal to 360. Now a second method is LCM by prime factorization method. LCM by prime factorization method, here to find the LCM of 90 and 120. For finding the LCM of 19 and 120, first you have to do the prime factorization of each. Prime factorization means divide each number by prime factor, then how many factors you will find the prime factors under this 90. If 90 is there, then if divide by 2, you get 45. Then 3 15s are 45, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. Similarly 120, 2 60 are 120, 2 30s are 60, 2 15 are 30. After when we get 15, so that not goes divisible by 2, so we check with 3. So next prime number after 2 is 3. 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. After that we write the prime factors like that. Factors of 90, factors of 120. So first we write 2, and similarly 120, this is 2 3 times under 120. So you leave the space upward. In the 90, factors are 2, 2 times 3 and 1 times 5. While in 120, 2 3 times, 3 1 times and 5. You make a space for that. when you write 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, and above that 90 factors 2, 3, 5, 3. So here what we mark the common numbers. Like here is the common 2. Matlab in means whatever common numbers are there, you have to mark there. Like here you mark 2, you mark 3, you mark 5. So these numbers are common. So I mark an arrow between that. How many numbers you have write downward? You have to write all the numbers downward, and if number is repeated, you have to write once. Okay, if 2 is repeated, 3 is repeated, 5 is repeated, so repeated number should be write once and all the numbers as it is. So when you get 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 5 into 3, so after multiplication you get 360. So I have one more example regarding this. If I have to find the prime factorization, LCM by prime factorization of 64, 56, 72. Then first you check 64 by first prime, even prime numbers. 32 2s are 64, 16 2s are 32, 8 2s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 1 2s are 2. So we get here 6 times 2 under 64. Under 56, if we divide by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14. Then 7 doesn't goes on next prime number 3 and 5, and after 3 and 5 next prime number is 7. Now we divide 7. 7 1s are 7. So under 56 we get the factors 3 times 2 and 7. Now 72. When 72 we check which number is divisible by this number. So if 2 is written at the last, that means divisible by 2. So 2, 36 2s are 72, 18 2s are 36 and 9 2s are 18. Then 9 doesn't go on 2, and next number of prime factors after 2 is 3. Now check with 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So under this we get 72, 3 times 2 and 2 times 3. Now here 64, when we write all 6 times 2, 56, we write 2 under 2. There is 3 times 2 and 7 on the distance. Similarly in 72, there is 3 times 2 is repeated and leave the space under 2, 3, 3 and this one is 7. So that are the 72 factors, that are 56 and 64. Condition is same. Now you mark the common numbers here. After that no common number is there. You write all the numbers and whatever common number is there you write once. So 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 7. That gives you, multiplication of this gives you 4032. Now third method is common division method. You have to find the LCM of common division method. Suppose I have a question 32, 45, 60. Now you have to find by common division method. So common division method, first you write in a like little bit space, 32, 45, 60, write in a little bit space for that. Now first check with the first number 2. Okay, prime factor, in prime factor 2. Among these three numbers, which number goes divisible by 2? If any number is divisible by 2, then you write 2, any number. Okay, doesn't mean that all three numbers is divisible by 2. Among these three numbers, if at least one number is divisible by 2, then you write 2 here. Like here, 32 and 60 is divisible by 2, but 45 is not divisible by 2. So which number is not divisible by a particular number? You write the number as it is downward. Okay, so here 16 2s are 32 and 32s are 60. Now after that we will check again. Among these three numbers, if any number is divisible by further 2, yes, 16 and 30 is also divisible by 2. Now 2 8s are 16 and 2 15s are 30. After that 8, 45, 15. Then you check again, is any number among three numbers still divisible by 2? Yes, 8 is divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8 and other two numbers are not divisible by 2. You write as it is. Now here next 4 is again divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4. Other two numbers write as it is. 2 1s are 2. Then other two numbers are not divisible by 2. Then you write as it is. So after that, when all the numbers among this, no number is left visible by 2, your 2 is over here. And after 2, you check with 3. So here 1 goes till end. So 2 number which was not divisible by 2, you check with the 3. Is these two numbers are divisible by 3? Yes. Then you write 3 15s are 45 and 3 5s are 15. Still you check, is any number among these two numbers divisible by 3? Yes, 15 is divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15. Now further, no number among these is divisible by 3. So we move to the next prime number 5. Is any number among this divisible by 5? Yes. Then you write 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. So whatever number written here, 2 5 times, 3 2 times and 5, you multiply all the numbers, you will get 1440. So these are the three methods we have done today. How to find the LCM by three different methods: common multiple methods, prime factorization method and common division method. Common multiple method, you have to write the table of each number and find the first common number between the two tables. That will be the LCM. In the prime factorization, you have to separately factorize all the numbers, write the factors, and any common number is repeated, you have to write once and write all the numbers. In common division method, you check one by one with the prime numbers, first 2, 3, 5, 7. If any number among 3, 4 numbers is divisible by that number, then you go with the division, otherwise move to the next number. Thank you. Enjoy your homework for these three methods. Hope you understand well. Thank you.